Okay, Eli, we are working on the melody now. So we're going to start slow again. To the first ending, measures 19, the pickup into 19 to 26. 1, 2, 3. First ending, up to 55. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we now go to 60. 1, 2, 3. All right, 65. Stay with me here. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Heading up to 75. 1, 2, 3. Oh, totally messed up. Here we go. 75. 1, 2, 3. Heading to 80. 1, 2, 3. All right, heading up to 85. 1, 2, 3. messed up. Did you mess up? We're going to go up to 90. Hopefully neither of us will mess up. 1, 2, 3. All right. Here is 9. Let's go to 100. We're going to jump. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right. We're going to now do that and go to the, we're just going to slow it down to 80. We're going to do the second ending this time, all the way up to the key change. And right before the key change, that DC is up here, written here, but it's supposed to be an octave lower. It's supposed to be boo-doo, boo-doo. It's supposed to go to the B flat here. Boo-doo. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. How that goes right into that. 1, 2, 3. Get into that later. So 1, 2, 3. Here we go at 86. 1, 2, 3. We are now, we're just going to go to 90 here. 1, 2, 3. And did we go up to 100 before? I don't remember. Here we go, at 100. Go 1, 2, 3. I'm messing up. All right, next video, the key change.